Yo guys, me Patrick LeVar, out testing the Movi Gimbal and another little night practice session. On this one I purposely shot everything at 720p at 120 frames. Everybody's been asking me, oh, do I shoot 4K or do I shoot in a higher resolution? And most of my videos were shot in 1080, 1920 by 1080. So I purposely used my phone in the lowest quality, and it was a little challenging at night, but it still worked out okay. So anyways guys, no excuses on what quality if you're filming at. The main point is to get out there and do some work, get some filming in. Patrick LeVar, keep filming. Peace.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah.
Loaded.
Yeah.